Welcome back to SketchUp Core. In this episode of our kitchen design series, so moving from space definitions to the practical world of layouts and styles. Like we all know, a kitchen layout is a blueprint for efficiency and flow. The layout sets the tone for our kitchen. It determines how we move, how we cook, and connect to the space. So we'll be exploring the five most common layouts, each with its strengths and unique design personality. So for the first layer, we're talking about the one wall layer. It's the simplest of all layers. All appliances and cabinets and the work areas are usually aligned along the single wall. So from our screen, we can see a model of a kitchen that was created in SketchUp. So this one wall layer kitchen is usually efficient for small homes, for studio apartments. It offers a minimal and a streamlined design, as you can see. But one of the cons of this one wall layer is that the storage and the work areas are usually limited, making it less suited for large households. The galley kitchen consists of two parallel walls of cabinets and appliances with a walkway in between. It's usually a kitchen that is built around or along a narrow central passage. So like I said, this kitchen is built along a narrow passage and it's usually a small to a medium kitchen. It creates a little bit of an efficient workspace for your kitchen. So your appliances are along two narrow walls. As you can see, our appliances are along these two walls and we're still maintaining the kitchen triangle principle. This is a layout that is connected by two walls, forming a natural working triangle. We'll be giving a breakdown of the working triangle later on. So for this layout, it's usually ideal to be used for medium-sized homes to balance the space between efficiency and design flexibility. As you can see, we have more workspace and storage than the single wall layout. And this model was also created in SketchUp. So for this class, we'll be using SketchUp, like I said earlier, we'll be using SketchUp to create models of kitchens and designing kitchen spaces. So for this layout, as you can see, it leaves room for a dining area or an island, which can be upgraded in the future. So we'll still talk about our island kitchen further on. So we'll be talking about the U-shaped layer next, which is a connection of three walls that forms a U-shape. This kind of layout can be used to maximize the counter and storage space. It is efficient for larger homes and it's really convenient for those that are passionate about cooking and baking. When you want to do your home cooking and baking, a U-shaped layout is usually convenient and a perfect idea for those that love cooking. So one thing about the U-shaped layout is it requires a bigger footprint and can sometimes feel enclosed if it's not well planned and if it's not balanced with the proper lighting and opening. That's for the U-shaped layout. This is similar to a U-shaped layout, but a wall can be replaced by a peninsula extension. As you can see from our SketchUp model, which is showing a peninsula layout. This was created in SketchUp. This is an extension of our cabinets or our cabinetry. So it creates this semi-open boundary between the kitchen and the living area. It creates an extra preparation space or a casual sitting area for users of the kitchen. So it's we can say the peninsula layout is like thinking of an island being attached to a cabinet or to a wall in the kitchen space. The island layout is one of the most popularly used kitchen layouts of recent in the modern age. It's a combination of any of the previously mentioned layouts, apart from the peninsula layout. It's a combination of the previously mentioned layouts and a freestanding island, which can serve as extra working space or a means of social interaction. It can serve as a connection between the kitchen and the living room or the dining. So it is best used for open plan homes, but requires enough clearance and space around it for it to remain functional and usable. We're making a quick comparison between the peninsula and the island kitchen. Both layers work for an open kitchen style, but the peninsula kitchen layout is required for tighter space where an island can fit in. On the other hand, the island kitchen layout gives a free room around the kitchen island and is best used for kitchens with adequate spaces. In SketchUp, it's usually good to experiment these layouts before deciding the layout you want for your kitchen space. And experimenting with these layouts are usually simple. So you can make adjustments to your dimensions, to the flow, and to the style you find that suits perfectly into your kitchen project. Talking about kitchen styles, it can vary from the minimalistic to the traditional. So we'll be quickly going through the five major non-styles for kitchen designs. The first style we're talking about is the modern minimalistic. This is characterized by clean lines, high gloss finishes, and it focuses on minimizing clusters in our kitchen space. Next, we'll be talking about the contemporary style. This is a simple blend between traditional and modern elements using open layouts, smart technologies, and mixed materials and finishes. The transitional style is a combination of classic and modern aesthetics. It's a style that is easy to adapt to changing trends, and the aesthetics for this style tends to appear timeless. It's always adapting to each trends for kitchen styles. The farmhouse style is characterized by using elements like the farmhouse sink, natural wood. It uses simple finishes, and the beauty about the farmhouse style is it creates this warm atmosphere of your kitchen space. It's one of the favorites I love working with. So you will see more videos on the farmhouse kitchen style. For the industrial kitchen, this utilizes the use of raw and exposed materials such as brick, concrete, and metal to achieve a more rugged and modern look. We can classify our commercial kitchens as a simple example of the industrial style. Okay, that will be all for this episode. For the next episode, we'll be talking about the design elements for your kitchen, how to bring these layouts to life, the materials, lighting, and balancing the kitchen space. Remember, this is SketchUp Core, and we're here to help you design kitchens that blend form, functionality, and beauty.